Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Wars Minute. You know the drill here. You give us 3 minutes, we'll give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. I want to take a look today at a fascinating story involving Google Cloud and what we might call their OCTO surprise. They've got a group inside Google Cloud called the Office of the CTO. And the managing director there, a terrific guy named Will Grannis, he said, we don't have a CTO, the customers act as our CTO. And they pull some very high-level, high-performance engineers from all around the company, and they form this Office of the CTO, the OCTO. And their specialty is collaborative innovation with customers. They've been very busy lately. Will said that they are now involved in active projects 20% up from a year ago, which was, again, a busy year last year. And Will said that these big deals we've been hearing about from Google Cloud, these huge, transformative, very, very rich and textured deals, 5 years, 10 years with some clients going through massive transformations of every phase of their operations. Will says there's a high OCTO presence among those deals. So they're really becoming a powerful factor there for them. One of the cases that was highlighted was an insurance company that is still using or has recently been using some 60-year-old COBOL technology, and now with a new AI system that really replicates what COBOL does, they're doing 100 claims predictions per second. That's an example that they were pretty happy to bear. And they also had the CTO of Twitter on for this discussion, where he said co-innovation is where OCTO really shines. The other point I wanted to be sure to make is that Will says that in digital transformations, you cannot overestimate, the power of aggressive leadership, right? In what he called evidence-based, data-driven transformations. But the technology has to be there, but certainly the aggressive, business-oriented leadership has to be there as well. So, one of the reasons why Google Cloud over the last couple of years has moved steadily up toward the top of the Cloud Wars top 10 rankings, they're now number 3 behind Microsoft and Amazon, is because of this type of vision, this type of different thinking, different approach. Instead of just trying to layer on fancier technology time and again, I think what they're doing at Google Cloud with Office of the CTO or OCTO, they are trying to take a different approach toward putting the customer truly at the center of all of these engagements, bringing to bear the entire power of their company, all the different parts of Google and Alphabet together to come up with innovative ideas. So co-innovation, co-creation are really at the center of this, and I think it points a way forward for this company. And also I think it mirrors the impact that Thomas Kurian has had in his 2.5 years as CEO of Google Cloud, where that's been one of his primary missions. So fascinating story there. We'll share more as we find out more about what OCTO is doing. Thanks very much for being with us here today. I hope it's a wonderful day for you.